Born 1,000 years ago, a child memorized entire books before most could read. A mind so sharp, scholars feared him. This boy would one day rewrite the rules of medicine and science. From curing kings to mastering astronomy, philosophy, and healing, he united the knowledge of worlds. Every step he took pushed human understanding beyond its limits. His ideas saved lives, shaped nations, and built the foundations of modern science. This is the story of a mind centuries ahead of its time. Watch the full episode and witness the genius of Avicenna.
Tomorrow, the life of a forgotten genius comes alive. The healer of kings, the master of science.